What's up, guys? Installing a fifth wheel in your GMC Sierra with a puck system can take you to some really fun places. Let's go ahead and break down that install for you. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. We're going to go ahead and remove the caps to our puck system. I'm going to use a large flathead to remove them. With the inside prepped, we're going to go ahead and bring our fifth wheel base in. It is pretty heavy, so make sure you grab an extra set of hands. We're ready to go ahead and drop in our base into our puck system. We're going to want to make sure that all of our handles are in the open position for it to slide in. We're going to go ahead and remove the pin from the latch cam and then open it up. We'll go ahead and repeat on the other three. With our latch cams open, we're going to go ahead and drop it into the puck system. As you can see, they send the latch handles pretty loose. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and tighten up the nuts. Let's go ahead and show you how to do that. First, we're going to remove the cotter pin. With the cotter pin out, we're going to go ahead and want to set the tension on the castle nut. By doing so, you'll want to close the latch. With the proper tension on the castle nut, you should be able to move the handle pretty easy, not too loose, but not too much tension where you would need to hammer it. Now with the tension set, we're going to go ahead and replace our cotter pin. And we'll repeat on the other three. With the handle closed, we'll want to put our pins back in. Alright guys, we're ready to install our pivot arms. You'll need to take measurements of your cab clearance and the trailer height in order to select one of the 6 variations that are shown in the instructions. Now that we've determined the position for our pivot arms, using the provided bolt and lock washer, we're going to go ahead and screw it into the weld nut that's on our base. Next, we're going to go ahead and torque all of our bolts to manufactured specifications. Next, we're going to need to install our leveling kit. You're going to want to locate the 1/4-inch screw-in nut, your tension spring, and your mounting clip. You're going to take the tension spring, attach it to the mounting clip, pass the bolt through, attach your nut. Then we'll go ahead and install it onto our driver's side pivoting arm. So we're going to need to measure a 1/2 inch down and then mark it with tape. You'll want to set your tension spring to be right at the 1/2 inch mark. Next, we're going to need to install the handle onto our coupler head. We're going to be using the provided butt head screw and flange nut to secure it. First, we're going to need to remove the pin. We'll go ahead and slide our handle into it, making sure that the sticker is up. We'll go ahead and reinsert our coupler pin and install the hardware. We're ready to go ahead and set our coupler head onto our pivoting arms. We're going to remove one clip from each side, raise it up, and then set it on top. We'll go ahead and reinstall our pin and clip. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you next time. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you'd like to schedule an installation with a U-Haul Hitch professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.